Switzerland awakens as a new production day begins. Massive security vault doors slowly unlock. Premium cotton fibers arrive for processing. Cotton fibers are mixed into fine pulp. The pulp forms strong banknote paper. Security fibers are embedded into the paper. Watermarks are pressed into every sheet. Metallic security threads are inserted precisely. Finished paper rolls are prepared for printing. High-speed presses begin printing the banknotes. Vibrant colors cover every printed sheet. Ultraviolet lamps instantly cure the fresh ink. Intaglio presses create raised security textures. Fine embossed details appear across the surface. Holographic security features are applied automatically. Metallic foils are positioned with perfect accuracy. High-speed cameras inspect every printed sheet. Ultraviolet scanners verify hidden security features. Unique serial numbers are printed onto each note. Defective sheets are removed automatically. Precision cutters separate individual banknotes. Fresh banknotes are stacked into neat bundles. Automated counters verify every completed bundle. Currency bundles are sealed for protection. Security checkpoints inspect every package shipment. Finished banknotes enter secure storage vaults. Armed security escorts the finished currency. Swiss currency begins its global journey. Advanced security features protect every banknote. Precision makes every Swiss banknote trusted. Like, subscribe, and comment your next factory tour idea.